On my way to Sean's house to record this video. Kind of regret this now. Let's hope I make it. Yeah, it's gonna be part of the video. So I arrived to Sean's house. And we popped open the hood. Saw the filter was sitting. Super hot.
So it's for sale now.
So, as you guys seen from one of the videos, the Mustang is down, just smoking really bad. Let me turn it on. Yeah, once it gets warm, it gets even worse. See. Oh my god, that's so bad. So what I have planned for this car, I'm gonna remove the turbo kit that we've built, and I think I'm gonna post it up for sale. I think I'm gonna remove everything from the battery relocation, just everything we did to turbo this car. I'm gonna remove it, sell it as a kit, a homemade kit, but
Very homemade.
as you guys can see, it works. There's proof in our channel that it works.
By the way, there's no tuning for this car, so there's no software or piggyback or anything like that.
No, but if you guys want to make it last longer than mine did, I would suggest you guys try and tune it. But if you don't want to tune it, you know, it works.
It'll work for a while. So you were saying you're gonna sell this as like a whole kit, right?
Yes.
So what all is included?
So this is it. The Mustang all stripped, got the transmission out, got the turbo kit out. So this is what I'm gonna include into the turbo kit. Pretty much the manifolds, turbo, intake piping, fans, wastegate, the feed line, the 2 gauges, and the battery relocation kit. I'll even include the ratchet strap. That's how I was holding down my battery. But yeah, for the most part, that's it. Stuff that you'll need would be gaskets, probably an oil drain line. You will need spark plugs, and you will need to gap your spark plugs. It's recommended that you guys tune. It's recommended that you guys tune your build so you guys don't end up in the same boat as I did. But you don't have to. It's still gonna run and make boost. It works without a tune. It's just recommended to do so.
Highly recommended.
But yeah, that's it. That's it for the Mustang.
Off to the Mustang heaven. I think the best way, if you're interested in this kit, to get a hold of us is probably through the Instagram page at Yellow Shop Builds.
I'm sure Sean will link my Instagram page in the description.
Yeah.
The YouTube Instagram page. So if you guys are interested, you guys can message me, and we'll work something out. We'll let you guys know once it sells, but that's it for the Mustang.
Bye.